So again, Grassroot music program. Again, this is a great program. 8,000 plus artists are being paid today. So on an average, 8,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per gig, government of Meghalaya pays these artists. We do almost 16,000 shows annually, sir. So you will see these small corners. I think today in the Police Bazaar, if you go, every day there is an artist or there are artists who are singing. And that's how we've been able to support 8,000 artists today. And these are people who are doing what they love. Music is in our blood, sir. And therefore, this is something that was very close to our heart. And we are happy we're able to take it forward. So there's a band called Alive. And they are just amazing, sir. This band, they were the top band in the MGMP Season 2. So you'll be happy to know that today they are playing in hard rock cafes throughout the country today. Different locations, sir. And they are earning 40,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees a month during peak season, sir. And that's the kind of opportunities that we're talking about in terms of employment. Next.